Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sanchita Datta, and I'm here to interview Mr. Shivnath Mukherjee, who has his expert presentation on the 5th of June. Hello and welcome, sir. Could you please introduce yourself to our audience?
Hello, everyone, and thank you, Sanchita, for giving the opportunity to present my business. It is really a pleasure. This is Shivnath Mukherjee from Niharika Enterprise, selling India's favorite electric vehicles plugged into the future.
Thank you so much, sir. So I'll begin the interview by asking you a few questions that our audience wants to understand. Could you briefly explain the USP of your brand? What makes your brand special?
Our USP is basically green vehicles. These are all zero polluting vehicles. No paperwork, no hassle of paperwork. There is no license, no registration, and no petrol. Value for money product, very economical. We call it pocket friendly. Capability of giving service guarantee. We give service guarantee and tell all our customers that riding our vehicles will bring happiness, joy in every ride, guaranteed. And most importantly, use of technology. We are thinking of using IoT technology in our upcoming models.
That's great to know, sir. And who would be a target audience?
Our target audience are automobile dealers, automobile manufacturers, in fact, automobile ancillaries, investors, people willing to invest in startups. There are a lot of people who wish to invest in new upcoming technology businesses, battery manufacturers, battery dealers, and most importantly, franchisee seekers. We as a company are planning to expand and are ready to welcome our franchise to take our business to the next level.
Okay, and what would be the focus of your expert presentation?
The focus of our expert presentation will be basically on what is electric vehicle, why electric mobility, future of the industry of electric mobility, why now, why are we telling that why this is the right time. We all know, as per Niti Aayog, it has clearly mentioned that by 2025, all two-wheelers has to shift to electric mobility. So the people associated with this industry will have a first mover advantage. And of course, we'll cater to the category and the total catalog of our electric vehicles, the total bouquet of our models.
All right. And final question, who do you think will benefit out of your presentation?
Electric vehicles are for all, for business houses, for individuals. In fact, we call that post-COVID opportunity to serve people. We all know how important is social distancing in today's scenario. How will people avoid public transport and public contacts? We, as a company, Niharika Enterprise, have brought value for money solution of green vehicles, that is electric vehicles. Our vehicles are very reasonably priced and have attractive EMI options. So, friends, what are you waiting for? Get your own electric vehicle and ride into the future tension-free.
It's wonderful, sir. Definitely, e-vehicles are the need of the hour for a cleaner and greener environment. Eagerly looking forward to attending your presentation and wishing you all the very best. And finally, thank you everyone for watching the interview.
Thank you everyone for having a patient hearing, and thank you for taking out time to understand our business of electric mobility. Thank you.
Thank you so much.